Hello guys, so today I'll be sharing with you some nutritional and non-nutritional compounds in avocado oil that can help protect you against hypertension, also help you manage hypertension in case you have one according to science. Okay, so hypertension is when the force of the blood used to push against the actual force of the blood vessels is very high. Okay, so currently hypertension has found its way in different societies and different cultures as one of the main leading cause of death. Okay, so for instance, in Canada, currently, according to the report, 25% of Canadian populations have hypertension. And if you go to Australia, according to the Australian Institute of Health and Welfare, 34% of the Australian population also have hypertension. If you go to Ghana, according to the WHO report 2023, 35% of Ghana's population are also hypertensive. And how about the US? If you go to the US, according to the CDC reports, currently 45% of the American population also are hypertensive. Okay, so this is a clear indication that hypertension is a problem, a health problem in different societies. Okay, and we need to help tackle hypertension sustainably to ensure the survival of the human race. Okay, so currently we use there are different medications to treat hypertension, but according to science, these medications also have side effects. Like some of them can cause muscle cramps, they can cause dizziness, fatigue, and even allergic reactions. Okay, so the need for natural ways that we can tackle hypertension. And according to research, there's a direct link between healthy dietary lifestyle and also the protection against hypertension. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you some 6 compounds in avocado oil and how science has proven that they can help protect you against hypertension, or they can help you maintain hypertension in case you have one. The one I'll share with you today is fatty acids. So according to science, the ratio of unsaturated fatty acids and saturated fatty acids in avocado oil is 7:1. Okay, so that's very great. Okay, and the main fatty acid in avocado oil is oleic acid, which is a monounsaturated omega-9 fatty acid, and has been shown that the presence of oleic acid in the food also is very good because they help balance the body's cholesterol. And the second compound I'll share with you today are phytosterols. So phytosterols are triterpenoids in plants, okay, that have a chemical structure similar to cholesterol. Okay, and the most abundant phytosterol in avocado oil has been shown by science to be beta-cytosterol. And according to science, these compounds are very good because they compete with cholesterol in the gut. Okay, so that they're able to lower cholesterol levels in the gut, and also they reduce their absorption in the small intestine. So the third compound I share with you are tocopherols. Tocopherols are methylphenol groups with vitamin E activity. Okay, and the most abundant tocopherol in avocado oil has been shown by science to be alpha tocopherols, and they are good because they protect low density lipoprotein against oxidative stress, and thus prevent atherosclerosis. Okay, fourth compound will be phenolic compounds. Okay, so phenolic compounds are aromatic compounds binding to one or more hydroxyl groups. Okay, and depend on the position and then the number of hydroxyl groups, and also whether they are bounded to other molecules in the food matrix, like if they are bounded to carbohydrates or proteins. There are different types of phenolic compounds that has been found in avocado oil, but the most dominant ones are hydroxybenzoic acid, folic acid, and also caffeic acid. Okay, so these compounds are good because they have antioxidant capacity. They are able to protect cholesterol from oxidative stress. Okay, and they've also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. And phenolic compounds are also known to be good because they also have anti-atherogenic properties. Okay, so it means that they're able to prevent the buildup of cholesterol in the artery walls, to prevent the narrowing of the blood vessels, and then prevent high blood pressure. Fifth compound will be carotenoids. So carotenoids are tetraterpenes with 40 hydrocarbons. So if in their structure they have oxygen, then they are known as xanthophylls. But if in their structure they don't have any oxygen but only hydrocarbons, then they are known as carotenes. So the most abundant carotenoid that has been found in avocado oil is lutein. And lutein is good because they are known to improve the vision of the eye, and also known to reduce the risk of macular degeneration. So carotenoids are able to protect against hypertension because they've been shown to have antioxidant capacities, and also they've been shown that they are in the body, they are able to reduce the levels of cholesterol cholesterol and also triglycerides. And the last compound will be chlorophylls. So currently, according to research, there are 4 different types of chlorophyll that have been profiled in avocado oil, and are responsible for the green color that you have in avocado oil. Okay, and but the most abundant chlorophyll in avocado oil is chlorophyll B, and chlorophyll is good against hypertension because they have antioxidant properties and also been shown to have protection against inflammation. You know that these compounds in avocado oil, prove that it's a healthy food that can be used to treat hypertension, but is it really reflecting in science? Okay, so I'll share with you some 3 studies that have been done in mice to prove that avocado oil can help manage against hypertension, or that it can help protect you against risk of hypertension. So the first one I'll share with you looked at losartan and avocado oil. Okay, so losartan is an artificial drug that is used to treat hypertension because of its capacity to act as blockers against angiotensin 2 receptors. Okay, so I forgot to mention in my previous statement, angiotensin 2 are hormones, okay, in the body that induce vasoconstriction of blood vessels. Okay, so when this happens, they cause the blood vessel to become narrow, and then more force is needed by the blood to pump into the heart. Okay, and then this leads to hypertension. And then these receptors that are in the body also act as signals for the activities of angiotensin 2. Okay. So, according to this study, they fed mice 1 meal of avocado oil for 45 days. Okay, and also they fed another group of mice with 45 milligrams of losartan, artificial drug, for 45 days. And after their research, they found out that avocado oil was able to mimic the anti-hypertension activity of losartan because it was able to reduce systolic blood pressure and also diastolic blood pressure. And also found out that avocado oil was also good because it was able to reduce the formation of reactive oxygen species and the reduction of oxidative stress. We also found that avocado oil was able to induce kidney mitochondrial function. So overall, from their conclusions, avocado oil was able to reduce hypertension in the mice because of their capacity to reduce activities of angiotensin 2 in the mice. The second study looked at the impact of avocado oil on cardiovascular risk factors. Okay, so from their findings, they observed that the feeding the mice with avocado oil led to significant reductions in low density lipoprotein, very low density lipoprotein, and also triglycerides. So what does it mean in hypertension? Because when these cholesterol and the triglycerides are higher in the blood, then they move into the arteries. Okay, and when it happens, they form plaques on the artery walls, and this plaques also cause the arteries to be narrow. Okay, and then when they are narrow, it means that there's more pressure needed by the blood to pump to the arteries into the heart, and then this induces hypertension. Okay, and then this same study also found that the feeding avocado oil to the mice not cause any reduction in high density lipoprotein, which is good. Okay, because high density lipoprotein has been shown to be a good cholesterol because they rather transport the bad cholesterol out of the body into the liver for disposal. The third study also showed a similar trend. So they also fed mice with different levels of avocado oil, and from their conclusions, they observed significant reduction in the levels of low density lipoprotein, and also high levels of avocado feeding led to the higher excretion of cholesterol in the mice. This research findings, it's clear that avocado oil is a healthy, food ingredients. Okay, and from the research findings, we can postulate that they are capable of protecting us against hypertension, or even helping us manage hypertension in case we have one. So I hope these research findings helps you make a smart food choice today, and keep eating scientifically, and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.